It's a pleasure to be here in front of all of you to talk to you about the value proposition of selling motor through the Discover platform. But before I get into the actual value of how we can sell motor through the Discover platform, I would like to talk to you a little bit about the motor market generally in Thailand. So motor forms the highest volume of premiums in the Thailand market at 123 billion baht of the total 140 billion baht P&C market. And as you can see, most of the motor sales are dominated by the agency and broker channels. So the existing opportunity of selling motor through Discover, with the help of you guys, is already quite big. But what we also see is that if we look at future growth and how we can get more in terms of the motor market, you look at the number of actual penetration of VMI, which is the voluntary insurance in the Thai market. For cars, it's 35%, and for motorcycles, it's only 0.04%. So it gives us the opportunity to further penetrate into the motor market going forward as awareness grows. At the same time, the car sales are also increasing in Thailand by about 2 to 3% year on year. And therefore, that also gives us a better opportunity for increasing new business insurance sales to our customers. So taking all these factors into consideration, you can see that there's a huge opportunity for all of you to take a piece of that pie of the motor insurance market. So what can we offer, right? So as Brian mentioned, the main purpose of offering motor through the Discover platform is simplicity and ease of doing business with us. So the fast quote, which is embedded in the Discover platform for motor, allows you, at the click of a button, when you're sitting in front of your customers, to actually give them a price for whatever motor insurance policy that they need. It will also offer you the opportunity to actually issue the policy when you've, based on the quote that you got from Discover, sitting there with your customers, giving you the opportunity to cross-sell on the scene. Even from a product perspective, if you look at it, you will get all the motor products that we have, whether it be the compulsory CMI, whether it be VMI, whether it be VMI Type 1, or the non-Type 1 product. So all the product suite will be available for you to quote as well as sell on the Discover platform, making the journey for you much easier in case your customer is asking for different options. You don't have to go to different places. You can have all the products there at your fingertips. One of the other advantages of using Discover will be that if you have some concerns or issues, or you still need some support from our teams, our service team will be able to support you by dialing that number if you have any concerns using the platform, or if there's any other concerns regarding the product or service itself. And of course, your customers will also get the full suite of services that Allianz Thailand has to offer, whether it be claims related, whether it be other endorsements, or any other services that they would require. So that was about the value proposition and how we can help you sell through the Discover platform the motor products that we have. But in general as well, in Allianz Thailand, there's two additional aspects that will also be beneficial. One aspect is obviously that we provide training in terms of technical product training, but also service-related training as well as sales skills to all our agents and brokers. So that you will have access to as well. And at the same time, we will also support you in the actual licensing process. And at the same time, it's not on the slide, I don't know where it went, but at the same time, which is also quite interesting for you, is that we offer, aligned with the Discover platform, a compensation or a commission scheme, which basically means that for VMI, non-Type 1, as well as for compulsory products, it will be about 35%, and for Type 1 products, it will be about 22%. So that, I guess, will be quite interesting to you as well. So I can repeat that again? Okay.
Can you say again?
So it's 22 for VMI Type 1, and for non-Type 1 and for CMI, it will be 35%. So I hope all these factors...
เรื่องของ compensation
So I hope all these factors are motivational enough for you to sell motor through the Discover platform. Again, it's easy to sell, and easy for yourself, as well as when you're sitting with your customers, easy to explain to them, and you have a one-stop shop available in the Discover platform. Kapun Kap.
ค่ะขอขอบคุณรองกรรมการผู้จัดการใหญ่ฝ่ายปฏิบัติการธุรกิจบริษัท Allianz ประกันภัยคุณปราชาญ โกรเวอร์ที่ให้เกียรติกล่าวถึงโอกาสทางธุรกิจประกันภัยค่ะ